Hey everyone, Katrina here, and today we're going to talk about what polynomial function is both even and odd. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like these. Okay, so I've had lots of videos out about understanding what are even and odd functions, as well as understanding what are even degree polynomials versus odd degree polynomials. So today we want to determine what polynomial function is both an even function and an odd function. So before we dive into that, let's briefly talk about what does it mean to be an even or odd function. So an even function is going to have line symmetry about the y-axis. And we can prove this algebraically by doing f of x equals to f of negative x. What about odd functions? Odd functions have point symmetry about the origin. So the origin is also known as the 0, 0 coordinate. And if we want to look at this algebraically, that is f of x equals to negative f of negative x. Okay, so can we think really hard right now? What function would both be classified as even and as odd? So we know some typical examples of even functions might be y equals to x squared. We could have y equals to x to the 6 plus 5x to the 4. Some odd functions could be y equals to x cubed, or y equals to x to the 11 minus x to the 5, and so on. But what function there can be both even and odd means that it both has line symmetry and point symmetry. So I'll show you. It's actually a pretty neat example. So it's one very unique function. So we're first going to start by plotting it out. So here we have our x and y coordinates over here. So what if we were to draw the line over here right on the x-axis? So this function over here is the y equals to 0 function. So let's take a look at its properties for a second. So we see that it's a horizontal line, it's a constant function, but what about its symmetry? So let's first look for line symmetry. So line symmetry has to be about the y-axis or line x equals to 0. So there's our origin, so this green dotted line coming down represents our y-axis. So that means if you were to flip it over this line, would you end up with the exact same thing? The answer here is yes. So we do indeed have line symmetry. What about point symmetry? If it's point symmetry, then that means here we would have like an odd function. So point symmetry means that you can rotate it 180 degrees and it'll be the same, or you can reflect it over y and then reflect it over x. So it's a double reflection, or you can think of it as one rotation. So if we reflect it over y and x, we get the same thing. And also if we were to rotate it 180 degrees, we'd end up with the same thing. So therefore, we also have point symmetry. And then if we were to try to prove this algebraically, let's see, f of negative x, we still get 0 because there's no x values here. And what about negative f of negative x? Get negative 0, which equals to 0. So we can see that both the conditions for even functions and for odd functions are met. So therefore, we have that y equals to 0 is both an even function and it is also an odd function. So if you ever encounter this in trivia, you'll be ready to go. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and comment any questions that you have. I look forward to hearing from you, and subscribe for more. I'll see you later.